As a nursing student and new mommy, making sure that my day is as productive as it can be is really important. So as y'all can see, the first thing I did was give my baby a bottle and open up the blinds to start my day. I took this time to answer some emails for my business, which sells teas notes to pre-nursing students. And then I went ahead and made my order to pick up from Walmart. So now I'm just moving everything around, and I love to watch Grow with Joe to do my workouts. So of course, with bringing life into this world, there's been many changes to my body. I love watching Grow with Joe because she's a post C-section mommy, so it makes it much more realistic to me. So of course, washing some bottles, doing some laundry, and I was able to at least get a second to make myself some breakfast. Psych, I did it. I had to make sure to cook this food with him. He just wanted some love and attention. Made myself some coffee to wake me up for the day because I was extremely tired from a bunch of homework I had the day before. I made myself a bagel with some cheese, eggs, and sausage, and I was just watching lip service. This is my guilty pleasure, and I love Amber Rose. I usually try to have him watch sensory videos with color, but this one automatically started playing, and I was not trying to disturb him. So of course I got some Amazon packages, and everything I bought is for my baby. So I did give him a milestone blanket. I was trying to make it a themed picture every month, but that was not working out. So I went ahead and got this milestone blanket, and yes, he screamed the whole time. I had to give him a passy. So my boyfriend ended up coming home, and I was so happy. I gave him a little time to get off, to take some time as a break, and then I ran to Walmart. I make sure to try to get some time out because being in nursing school can really take up all your time, and I love picking up my groceries because I hate going inside Walmart. That's where I got COVID last year. So I made sure to pick myself up a treat from Starbucks. So I know a lot of people say matcha tastes disgusting, but trust me, if you get it with some sweet cold cream foam and 2 shots of chai, it's delicious. And brown sugar oat milk as well is another way you can get it. So here I am waiting for my boyfriend to come get the groceries because if I decide to go walk in with all the groceries, he's gonna get mad. So from Walmart, I did get some new burners and clean the stove. Y'all, I cannot wait to get a home and get a gas stove. I did have a gas stove when I lived up north in Colorado for a little bit, and I just feel like they cook much quicker, which is something that I definitely want to do, especially me being in school and having a baby. It's hard for me to cook, as you guys were able to see earlier. So I wasn't able to deep clean like I like to do, but I did have a little bit of time to mop the floors. Of course, boiling that water, using some Fabuloso and some bleach. And after cleaning my place, it was time to clean my baby. I love giving him a bath. Bath times are so calming for him. He doesn't yell, he doesn't scream. And I love using Shea Moisture and Aveeno Baby.